Hello, good morning and welcome to St. Ronan's News this Thursday the 14th of January 2021. No birthdays today. Good. Okay, news. A huge well done and lots of encouragement for the whole St. Ronan's community. This includes teachers, pupils, parents, friends who have joined Todd and Kit in raising money for the Royal Marsden Cancer Charity event. It looks like Team Ariana may be on track for more than £20,000 in total. Well done to everybody involved. You can see in my screen a list of people taking part in the charity event, and there are more. They're kind of splintered out. There's so many getting involved. And if you'd like to find out any more, links and more information will be added to our social media feeds today. You can also follow the progress searching for the hashtag Team Ariana. Hashtag. Where have you been for the last decade? It's on social media. Hashtag. I'll see you after the show. Okay, updates for Mr. Andrew. He can't be here in person because he's always on the radio. But here we go. There is a new school challenge from the arts department. Yes. She got up early to do this one. A step-by-step guide to making a paper insect. Now, it's located here. This is good, I like this. Optional art / DT activities / challenges in general, in file, in 3D paper insect. The best creations will win shows for their house. I'm lost already, I really am. I'm sure the smart children in the school, which is all of you, will find that quite easy. A quick reminder about the other house challenges. I like the moving crest. I think that's pretty good. Thank the electronics team for that. They are Tongswood, teaching someone in your family or bubble a new skill. Juggling. Bicton, bake a cake with a Bicton theme. For example, in the shape, colour or icing. Pembroke, this is a good one, I like this one. Impartial, learn and record a magic trick for an illusion show. It can be an optical illusion, a drawing, a photograph, or even a script. It doesn't have to be you on the screen. There are bonuses to doing the news every day. And Selden, that word again, create an acrostic poem from the word Selden. Acrostic, yes. It's burned in my memory. Today is chapel on the SR radio with Father Yuri. Tomorrow is mindfulness, Year 3 assembly, and the Friday gathering. Oh, it's busy for the next couple of days. Yesterday's conundrum was guessed correctly by our pupil Phoebe in just a few minutes of the school's internal news release. It was pretty fast this morning, it took me unawares. Let's see if anyone can beat that. So here are the clues before I release the conundrum. A chemical reaction that involves the moving of electrons. A chemical reaction that involves the moving of electrons. I did chemistry back in the late 80s. So, here we go. No, I didn't get my shirt signed. No one offered. No, I tried. I'll ask for something easier next time. So, answers to our new email address or in the Teams TV as a reply. If you're playing on social media, please leave your comments in the section with the comments where everybody leaves their comments. You know the one. Staff videos. Mr. Phillips is here to give us all a history lesson. Over to you, Mr. Phillips.
Hi St. Ronan's, my contribution to St. Ronan's TV is going to be a weekly This Week in History slot. And so it's really useful to look back at the past to see how things have been and how things change, and can give us a bit of context considering that it seems like every day is the same. We've been stuck in this for ages. It will change, it will get better, and we'll reflect on this. And so this week it's two very important events and a happy birthday. Watch the video and enjoy.
Just 2 hours ago, Allied air forces began an attack on military targets in Iraq and Kuwait. These attacks continue as I speak.
Radio celebration. you stand aside to show just how much we love you. And I'm sure that you agree. It was perfectly for the half of one party. The day you came to me. Happy birthday to yourself. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Never understood how someone who stands for good could not have a day that would be set aside for the recognition.
Thank you, Mr. Phillips. Pupil video today. We have Huckleberry with the return of the gorilla videos. Yes. Okay, take it away, Huckleberry.
Oh, is the camera on? Is my hair okay?
Dad! When did you get your silver back?
Male silverbacks first get their silver hair on their back when they're 14 years old, but I'm 46, so I've had it for a long time.
I'm 1. Why is your head pointy?
Don't make fun of my pointy head. That's my skull crest and it attaches to my massive jaw muscles that I can shout at you with.
Dad, why are your teeth so big?
Because males have long, sharp canine teeth for fighting.
Fighting?
Yes, fighting.
Dad, what's that pattern on your finger?
You see, each gorilla has its own individual fingerprint, just like humans.
Oh. Dad, I can see in colour.
Yes, son, that's right. You have excellent colour vision so that we can pick out ripe fruit.
Dad, how hard can you bite?
Us gorillas, when we're fully grown, can bite twice as hard as a lion.
Wow.
What a super item. Thank you so much. More pupil videos tomorrow. If you have one, don't forget the new email address you can send to. If it's a big video, still email me there and I'll see if I can help you out to get them towards me. Now, Richie's Radio had another joke jousting against Mr. Palmer's Paris site gag yesterday. Now, Mr. Ritchie didn't mention the score this time. So I cannot bring that to you. However, what I can bring you, unfortunately, is another Mr. Palmer joke. Take him away. Take it away, Mr. P.
On the subject of France, which was yesterday's fantastic joke as well, of course, I just thought I'd just remind you about why the French people only have one egg for breakfast. If you've ever stayed with a French family, you'll know they only have one egg. They make an omelette, they only put one egg in it, because of course one egg is enough. That's right.
Please do let us know if you think Mr. Palmer's jokes are funnier than Richie's guests, or vice versa. Let us know on Teams replies or in the feed. No, not one person's replied. No, not even to the conundrums. I expect it's the first person to go may start it. I might have to start it myself. And now for the weather, hopefully. Karen. Hello, Karen. Good morning. Now,
Oh, good morning, Terry.
hang on. Right, why are you not in the garden?
Oh, Terry, I'm so busy. Look, I've got my Rice Krispies, got my chocolate chips. I've been melting them here over this bowl of water, and then I mix it all together. So I melt the chocolate, then I put in my Rice Krispies. Oh, I can't be outdone by Mrs. Thompson. And then I've been spooning the mix into these little paper cases, and voila! Delicious.
Are they nice?
I don't know. I've not tried them yet. I don't know. So you can be the first to try.
You haven't tried any yet?
No.
Okay. You know you've got chocolates all around your mouth.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, yes, you have. Are you taking Mrs. Thompson's advice and licking the excess out of the bowl?
I haven't tried any yet.
Karen?
No. No, I might have just licked a little tiny bit of chocolate off my finger.
Okay. We'll leave that there for everyone else to decide. So, apart from that, your primary job is the weather.
Yes.
What's the weather going to be like for today?
I think it's going to be sunny.
You think? Or
Yeah,
you hope?
I hope.
Leave it there. See you later. Talking of the weather, do you ever watch that weather lady, Elizabeth Rizzini, doing her forecasts? And she uses the green screen. She films from home, apparently. She answered me very kindly on Twitter. Yes. Yeah, it's very professionally done. Not like here, we use the real McCoy in our real studio. Yes. Quick, switch it back on. That's all we have time for today. Do tune in tomorrow for more of the same, if you compare any more of the same. Stay safe, stay warm. See you then. Goodbye. Carol Kirkwood, Elizabeth Rizzini. Who's next? If you've got a spare minute, let's do that last bit again with Elizabeth Rizzini. This is really slow. I don't know why I'm talking to you, there's no one there.